Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete all your Facebook photos same time, all of them at once. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you're going to click on your Facebook app here. Then after you're done, you're going to click here on the top right icon here. Click here on the top right icon. Then after here, you're going to go to your profile. Here, you're going to click here on your name. Then after you're done here, you see here next to your profile, there's this three dots here. You click on this three dots here, click on them. Then after you're done clicking there, you're going to click here where it says activity lock. Click on activity lock. Okay, let's wait. Then after you're done there, you're going to click here where it says manage your posts. Click here where it says manage your posts. Then after you're done, you're going to click here on filters. Then after, you're going to click on categories. Click here. Okay, we want to delete all our photos now. We want to delete all our photos for this video. That's the whole purpose of this video, is to show you guys how to delete all photos same time. So click here on photos and videos. Click here. As you can see, guys, I've only uploaded 2 photos for this Facebook account. So like what you want to do is you're going to click here on all. Then once you're done, you're going to click here on trash. But I won't be deleting these photos, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how to delete all your photos same time at once. So like you're just going to click here on all. Then after you're done, you're just going to click on trash. Then that's how easy it is to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.